So guys, after weeks, my pumpkins are changing color. Not sure if I can pick it. The leaf over it has not dried up as yet. This one is drying up. This one looks like is sunburn. This is sunburn, but the leaf over it is drying up. And that's the baby of all of them. That's the baby. That's the last one that pushed out. I have this one. I want to pick it like today. So the leaf over it, the stem dried right up, this one. But it has that one. So I'm not sure. I'm watching it. This one with the stem dried up all over it. Yeah, so I'm not sure. Then I have this one. Still have the leaves around it. And this one, all the leaves dried up around it and all of them keep drying up. So, and this one was one of the last one that pushed out. And this one was also one of the last one. Um, the last one, I guess. So this is what is happening. It finds push out new vines, and it's running, and it push out another baby pumpkin. So this is the last one. It's running all over the place. It's gonna bear again. The ones that were a baby a few weeks ago, this is what is happening. The leaves all quailed now because the sun is out. Get a little bit of dew rain the night before. I can hardly see any pumpkin because so much was planned together. That was a mistake. However, we have one here, and we have another one here, and we have a few tiny ones that are pushing out. I'm watching them. So my pumpkin garden spread all over. Can't go between them to water it because I don't want to damage it. But the thing is, I'm not seeing a lot of pumpkins, so I really don't know if we're gonna have a lot, even though there's a lot of vines out running. The garbage heap we have in the backyard, we push it down. It wasn't done properly. Want to go flatter and scatter and fork up into the soil. Look at this. Here's a baby one. See? Lot of pumpkin. This is the only one I see on this side. I should be seeing more, I think, but it is so clustered. That's so far. If this should bear, I would have tons of pumpkin. If it should bear the way I want it to or hope to, but it's close. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. So here is a Julie mango tree got damaged in the storm. A plant, papa tree 2 days ago. Yes, I transplanted it. And this is Chocho, aka Coyote. I hope it comes. The leaves look like it's drying up. I hope it really comes. Shouldn't plant it so close to the pumpkin because pumpkin suck so much nutrients from the soil, but it is what it is. So that's my pumpkin garden. Yeah, at least I do see two promising ones here. Let's watch the growth of the others. I run on my stone heap. I hope I get enough. Yeah, my canes, they look dry.